Hello and welcome, and thank you for visiting the Foodics accounting platform. Today in this tutorial I would like to speak about bank transactions, and during this tutorial there will be some movement throughout this left margin, and also there will be some regular and frequent screen changing, so I would ask the listeners to please be mindful of this and please pay attention. And furthermore, there will be some moments of silence, but that will just be because I will be inputting data and considering my next move through the platform. So, bank transactions. Within this platform, a user can create a different bank transaction via the bank account section within this accounting system. The functionality here includes spend money, receive money, and transfer money. I will be speaking about spend money in this tutorial via a prepayment feature, which I will come to. But basically, prepayments, these are advance payments that can be controlled by adding tax to them. The quantity and account can be specified, and when saved they will appear in the purchasers list under prepayments. So what I'd like to do is just quickly create a spend money prepayment and demonstrate this. So I will go to the bank accounts. I'll choose Bank Alinmar just for simplicity. And what I've got to do here is drop down to this tab, which is the new transaction tab. And as I mentioned, I'm spending money here, but via a prepayment. I've just got a couple of data boxes to complete, so just a moment. And as I mentioned, the account can be specified. And it's prepayments 205. So now I have an option to save this. And once saved, I will go to the purchases list to view. So that was saved successfully. So I will go over here to prepayments, and we can see here this is the transaction that I've just completed. So across this top line also, I'd just like to speak about a few features. This is the attachment symbol. Attachments can be added here and uploaded, and the user can then print or send the invoice. And furthermore, this print journal feature here is for all journal entries to be viewed via this option, so I'll just quickly demonstrate that. And the screen appears in a standard ready to print format, and all journal entries are visible here. So that is the spend money on the prepayment functionality. I'd just like to talk now about the receive money within the prepayment functionality. So I'll just go back to bank accounts. Again, I'll choose Bank of Lima and drop down to new transaction, but this time it's receive money. Again, it is a prepayment and just some contact details. Again, I'll use prepayment. I can specify the prepayment account here and branch 4. So what I'll do now, I'll save this also. And then I want to talk about an additional feature that is available within the system. But I'll just save this. So again, I'll just demonstrate that this account is visible here. Again, the attachments function for uploads and the journal entries function is here. So there's also a feature within this system whereby bills can be linked to overpayments, and to do so I'll just try and quickly demonstrate this. So I go to the purchases section and the draft option here. So as we can see here, this part of the functionality allows the user to allocate credit. So I can allocate this credit to this invoice. And that allocation was successful. So that is an additional feature within the system to link bills for the purposes of allocating credit. So that concludes the prepayment section of the tutorial. So thank you for your attention, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Thank you.